In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete leads in Zoho CRM. If you want to keep your CRM organized and up to date, deleting old or unnecessary leads can be a quick and useful task. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning up duplicate entries, removing test records, or getting rid of leads that are no longer relevant to your workflow. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and sign in if needed. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main CRM screen where you can access your records and modules. This makes it easier to navigate without getting lost in other sections. Next, click on Leads. This will open the Leads module, where all of your lead records are stored. Depending on how your account is set up, you may see a list view, filters, or different lead categories. If you have many entries, it can help to scan carefully so you select the correct record before deleting anything. Now, locate the specific lead you want to delete. This step is important because deleting a lead removes it from your active records. If your leads list is long, you may want to use the search bar or browse through the list until you find the exact lead entry you no longer need. Always double-check the record details to avoid deleting the wrong one. Once you've found the correct lead, click the three dots associated with that lead. This opens a menu of additional actions you can take for that record. The three-dot menu is commonly used in Zoho CRM for more options, so if you don't immediately see a delete button on the main screen, that's exactly where you'll find it. From the menu, select Delete. After you click it, the system may ask you to confirm the action. If that happens, review the prompt and confirm that you want to proceed. This extra confirmation is helpful because it prevents accidental deletions. And that's it. The lead will be deleted from Zoho CRM. As a final tip, before deleting any record, make sure you won't need that information later for reporting, follow-up, or historical tracking. If you're unsure, it may be worth reviewing the lead one last time before removing it. But if you're certain, this is the fastest way to delete a lead and keep your CRM clean and manageable.